Hello and welcome to another episode of Iris Glamorous channel. And in this video, this is my first time of using bleach, so I thought of making a video what are the side effects and what effect it does on my skin. I heard a lot about my friends, from all of my friends mostly, that bleach actually enhances and makes your skin more brighter and fairer. Also, regulates your skin pH level and also balances the sebum production in the skin. So let's see, after hearing a lot about bleaching, so I have thought of using it myself in this festive season. So let's see whether it works for me or not. So many of the people has also got side effects on bleaching, so let's see. This is my first time use and I am really a little frightened, or yeah, a little afraid about it. So I have selected for this as the Oxy pack. So oxygen, actually this is, or in the package it is written that oxygen rejuvenates our skin cells, and also I thought of giving this a try. Everyone talks about this and it is too good. So let's see what happens to this, and hoping for the best.
This is the packaging of Oxylife Natural Radiant 5 Cream Bleach with post-bleach Skin Radiant Serum, and this is a little damaged. I bought it online, so it became so little damaged. Oxylife, it says that it is with active oxygen, and also says that most recommended bleach by salon experts. Here it is written, did you know that your skin also needs oxygen? Oxygen breathes life not just in you but also in your skin. But with age, stress and lifestyle changes, oxygen level in the skin may drop, leading to unhealthy skin with dullness, dark spots and lifeless complexion. How can Oxylife Bleach help? Oxylife Natural Radiant 5 Cream Bleach, enriched with active oxygen and unique post-bleach Skin Radiance Serum, brightens and nourishes skin to help solve 5 fairness problems and give naturally radiant skin instantly. Now it says that no added ammonia. That is the reason I bought from this brand. This is my first time use of any bleach. I never had used any bleach in my skin, so this is the first time, and this is no ammonia. So I thought of giving something which is with no ammonia, which will have no side effects on my skin, because I have pimples, acne prone skin, oily skin and extremely oily T-zone. So in that case, it is quite sensitive, my skin, so I don't want anything that will harm my skin. So this has no added ammonia into it, so I thought of using this, and it also has a good rating. It says 3 uses. This container is of 3 uses. It also comes with a smaller container and also comes with larger containers. Says that dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin, dead skin cells, suntan, all of these issues it solves. Oxylife Cream Bleach pack contains like 27 grams, and there inside it has cream bleach, which is 21 grams, powder activators, this is 3 gram, post bleach skin radiant serum, that is of 1 gram. Containing 3 packaging but 1 gram. It has an expiry of 1 whole year, 1.5 year expiry, and is ₹82 for 27 grams. And individual packs are not to be sold separately. Okay, keep in cool and dry place along with away from sunlight. Cream bleach key ingredient are hydrogen peroxide. Here is hydrogen peroxide 4%. Power activator ingredient is persulfates, and post bleach skin radiant serum contains sea mineral extract and oxy spares. And this is a cruelty-free brand. This is from the brand Dava, which is a well-known brand. And here the marketing details and their official sites are given here, and up also no other things, and down also no other things are written. It is a very cute packaging of blue and violet contrast, and inside the package we get all of this. This is the cream that is inside. This is 21 grams, and this is the activator that you have to mix with this cream. And these are the post bleach radiance, like after the bleach process you have to apply this on your skin. And here is also a procedure link given. This pamphlet also contains all the things, how you will use this and all this. So it is also given in so many languages, so you won't be having any problem in reading this. So let me just read it, then I will start the process of this. So obviously I'll be needing one today, hoping for the best. My fingers are crossed. So yeah, you read the manual. I've read the manual very nicely. This is the applicator, and this is the cream which you have to take out before the activator. Be very careful. Yeah, this is the condition of the cream, is little bluish color. Take 1/3 of this cream for one-time use, as it is said. 1/3, I think that will be enough. 1/3. Some more. Yeah, then you keep this cream, make them like close them after you use very nicely, or else they may get affected by microbes for your next use. So it is a little difficult to pack. Yeah, it's done. Now we will be putting our activator on this. So be very careful with the activators. Don't smell it. Take about one third of this also. So yeah, one third is taken, as you see the container. Now one third is taken. Don't take activator much. Some people think that you're taking activator much will make them more fairer. No, and taking activator much will not make you more fairer, or else it can cause infection to your skin and skin rashes can come out and mix them well. And don't touch them with naked hand. And nextly, if you wanted to make your skin more fair, then it is recommended in the manual that you like keep the pack on your face for more time for making it more good. Now your activator is ready, so let us go through this once what this is. Okay, yeah, this is very important, this chart. My skin is fair, so I have to keep it for 15 minutes, which is skin means medium skin tone up to 15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes, or this is at least 15 or more, and this is darker, that is up to 10 minutes. This is my first time use, so I'll be keeping only for 16 minutes. I'm thinking to keep it for 16 minutes on my face. So yeah, those are ready. Now I'll be applying on my face in a clean face. Do not apply in any kind of makeup face on your skin.
So yeah, I've cleaned my face, removed all the makeups, and also dyed my hair because my hair will get or else bleached. And this obviously do not, they are recommended, do not make this activator in any kind of aluminum or metal container, either with plastic or you can also make with glass. That is best. I've made in plastic. And keep this, after you mix this till at least 2 minutes as they recommend, but I have mixed it at least 1 minute. And I have kept it for next 1 minute. Like you, for 2 minutes you have to keep it for proper activating of the activators, and to get dissolved with the cream. Now I'll be applying using this only, hoping for the best, or my this Duga Puja will be going very bad. Let's see what happens. Do not apply this near your eyebrows, or else your eyebrows and your hairline, do not apply those, they will get brown, and it really takes a lot of time to come back well, like the color to come back. I heard it a lot, so definitely let's see what happens actually, whether it shoots me or not. So I'm going till my hairline, not like touching my hairlines and keeping a gap. I heard a lot about bleaching from my friends, but I've never have ever have tried it out. So let's see. So I'm not going till my hairlines. 15 minutes is over right now. So as you can see, some swollen parts on the areas I have acne. So do not apply this while you have active acne, or that area will get reaction with this. Else I have taken here a clean piece of cloth which I'm going to scrap this out and throw, or you can use a piece of paper also, or any scrubber. And I'm not going to use my hand because I heard that and I have also seen that when you are using your hands, see my friends, that when you're using your hand, they get something like your skins from your hand and fingertips comes out. So but I'm not going to apply this. So it feels very ticklish when you're applying it, and even now it's been about 16 minutes. Even now the ticklish feelings is there. I don't know what will be happening, but yeah, experiencing something new on this puja. Let's go and scrap them all out, then I'll wash them all with normal water, or you can use cold water but not hot water. While scrapping also you have to be very careful that it doesn't goes and on your eyebrows and on your hairlines. So it's already looking very clean and ready. So I'll just wash off the rest and show you. As you can see, my skin is cleaned very nicely, and obviously it looks clean, but actually the black tiny hairs of our skin which interacts with the pores which we cannot see under a microscope, and some we can see. So those are actually bleached off, and I'm very happy because I was just hoping for the best. It is actually really frightening to apply all these kind of things, and waiting for that 15 minutes was a long time. About 1 hour I was feeling that I have to wait for a long time, and see the result of this. Now I'm cutting this serum which they have said to apply it. I've washed it with normal water, normal tap water, and then washed my hands with the hand wash, and I have not applied any face washes or anything on my face because that is not recommended. And this serum looks like this, quite white color, gel kinda white color. So apply them all over your face. So you can also apply this serum on the areas like you have not applied your bleach. You can also apply them on that area, like I am applying on the eyelids, because this is very moisturizing and it is recommended that you can apply it. So try this. After doing this, try not to go out on the sun for next 12 hours at least. I know that is quite not possible, but if you are not going on the sun, then your skin will not tend to have any infection. And don't try to make your skin sweat a lot for next at least 4 to 5 hours, or else infection may occur. So these were some of the cautions that I have seen my friends, and the cautions are also written in the manual of this Oxylife Natural Radiance Bleach. Yeah, that was all for today's video, and as you can see the result. So if you have liked it, then please hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. So it worked for me. It may not work, the same brand may not work for you. Do a patch test before you use any of the new things, and mainly if you're using such chemical things like bleach. Yeah, that was all for today's video. That was all for today's video. Hope you have liked the effort and the video too, and it worked great for me, and I'm so glad that it worked great for me. It was thankful to God too. So yeah, do not use bleach while you have active pimple. That is, it becomes very rushed. So I've seen my friends who has active pimple and applied bleach, and they got black spots on that area. So be very much selective towards the bleach you use. Do patch test, and I did a patch test before I did this video. So I did a patch test. So after doing a patch test, leave that area for means don't apply anything on that area for at least 12 hours. Then you see if any irritation occurs or not. If irritation occurs, do not use that bleach, exchange to another bleach, because there are a lot of brands of bleach in India available. So you maybe anyone other can shoot you. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Hope you have liked it. If you did, then please hit on the like button, share it with all your friends, share your comment below, and also check out the description box for many other videos. Do subscribe to our channel. Do click on the bell icon beside it, and also click on the all notification button on the bell icon so you don't miss any videos from our channel. So that was all for today's video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.